To add the Proctorio Google Chrome extension on your browser, do the following. Open up your browser and type in Proctorio Chrome extension. I've already searched for it in the past. That's why it auto completed. So once you do that and you get your results, it'll be the first one that says Proctorio Google Chrome. You click on it, you enter the web store, and you are going to see a button here that says Add to Chrome. So I'm going to click on Add to Chrome, and I'm going to go ahead and add the extension. And once it's done downloading, the download manager will appear. It'll tell you it's done, and you'll get a message up at the top. It's already complete, so you're going to get this message that it has been added to Chrome, and that's all you need to do. Now, when you launch your exam, it'll automatically look for this Proctorio extension and open up the exam in a secured environment.